Okay. Yeah. Let me just get up onto the to the edge there. Aren't these things brilliant, eh?
It's okay, my name.
Right.
Okay, slowly. It's okay, I'm nearly there.
We're going to keep on going towards the hole.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, hang on, nearly off the edge of the foam.
Okay?
Yeah. Yeah. Let me get yourself happy.
Yes!
Yeah.
Just want to go slowly. Yes! Good one. I think you were stressing a lot.
Septic tank moved. That was good. Now I have to get the digger, and we are going to pick a bit of stone from my big stone pile, and we're going to pop it nice and calmly, hopefully with the digger, just on top of that wall. And here is the lady that doesn't get filmed so much. I'm sorry.
It's alright.
That you're doing a sterling job.
But I'm going to have to need something quite sturdy to get what's up there, because there's big, round, and I need something a little bit more secure than the ladder.
Yeah.
To pull on it.
Hey, do you want some scaffolding?
That would be
Do
lovely.
you want the moon on a stick, Mum? Sure, not a problem. Okay, I'm going to do this lintel for Dad. Have you got stuff to get on with? Like,
Well, I'm just going to carry on.
yeah, there's a little bit more just there. Lovely. Okay, right. I will get the lintel up there for Dad, and then I will come and secure you some scaffolding.
Thank you very much.
Right, you can reach okay?
Yep.
Right, the camera's there. So, no slacking.
This one and the other.
Chunky. I blame Peter because he's not here.
If I wasn't, it would be me.
Oh, it can't be me. It can't be my
Of
fault.
course, it can't be you.
It's not possible.
Never.
It's inconceivable. Oh, ha. Right. Hey, ba-dum, 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 ba-dum. Where's my hammer? I left it up here. This is gonna be tough because it's a fixed point. Let's see if we can get this in here. No fear. This is gonna be a pain. La 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 la. This is just a tribute. You gotta believe me. It's a matter of opinion. What do you know? Ah, denied. You better think. What you gonna do to me? Yeah, think.
Not short sheets now at all, eh?
Yeah, look, we've had to put like 2 pieces in there,
Yeah.
which means we've got 1 cover strip to go on here. Like, so you know, it's like it has its knock-ons, like because so you can see here we've cheated here and here. So, but the knock-on of that is that our wraparound strip now needs to be very wide, and now we've got that one that's very wide. Like at least these 2 windows have to have the same wraparound. See, because the problem is that here we don't need hardly any wraparound here. Because if you had the same wraparound there, by the time you've got that there and that there, you've just got wraparound, which would have meant we could have taken that one and put it over there and blah blah blah, and yeah, it becomes complicated. La 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 la. Deepy dee doopy dee doo. What? There you go. Maybe. Let's have a little look. Is it 15? 15. 15. Und. So it's not quite there. Ah, well, that's just a little bit back from there though, so I think we might be okay. Thanks guys, thank you very much. I'll see you at home. Very successful day. Everyone really smashed it today. Anyway, it's 7 o'clock. Need to go home. Hope you enjoyed this one. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.